Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial, an easy way to do maths. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Hi friends, today's topic is Class 8, Chapter 2, Linear Equations in One Variable, Exercise 2.6, third sum. Solve z by z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. Solve means we have to find the value of the variable. What is the variable here? Z is the variable. So we have to find the value of z. The given problem is z by z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. Here we have to do cross multiplication. So 9 into z, that is 9z is equal to this 4 into z plus 15. So 9z is equal to 4 into z, 4z plus 4 15s are 60. Now I am bringing all the z terms one side. 9z, here it is plus 4z. When it comes this side, it becomes minus 4z is equal to 60. 9z minus 4z is 5z. 5z is equal to 60. Then z is equal to 60 by 5. Here it is multiplying. When it goes that side, it divides. So 60 by 5. 5 12s are 60. So z is equal to 12 is our answer. Next, fourth one. 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. We have to solve the equation. Again, solve means finding the value of the variable. What is the variable here? Y is the variable. So we have to find the value of variable y. 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. By cross multiplication, we have to multiply these two. That is 5 into 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 2 2s are 4, that is minus 4. Minus into minus becomes plus. 2 6 are 12y. Now bring all the y terms one side and constants to other side. 15y, here it is plus y. When it comes this side, becomes minus 12y is equal to minus 4 here plus 20. When it goes that side, becomes minus 20. So 15y minus 12y is 3y minus is equal to minus 4 minus 20, that is minus 24. So y is equal to minus 24 by 3. This 3 I am bringing this side, here it is multiplying, when it comes this side divides. So 3 8s are 24. Here the value is negative, so minus 8. Therefore the value of y is equal to minus 8. Next, fifth problem. Solve 7y plus 4 by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Here also we have to find the value of y because the y is the variable here. And by cross multiplication means we have to multiply crossly, that is 3 into 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Now multiply these one. 3 7s are 21y plus 3 4s are 12 is equal to minus 4y plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8. 21y plus 4y. I am bringing all the variables one side and constants one side. So minus y this side becomes plus y. So 21y plus 4y is equal to here minus 8 as it is. I am setting this constant term to the side, becomes minus 12. So 21 plus 4, that is 25, y is equal to minus 8 minus 12 minus 20. So y is equal to minus 20 by this 25. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 minus as it is, that is minus 4 by 5. So the value of y is equal to minus 4 by 5. Next, sixth problem. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Two boys are there, their names Hari and Harry. Given that the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Therefore, the age of Hari is equal to 5x and the age of Harry is equal to 7x. What they given? After 4 years, their ages are in the ratio 3:4. After 4 years means we have to add 4 years. before 4 years means we have to subtract. Here they given after. So we have to add 4 years. What is the percentage? 5x plus 4. Harry's age 7x plus 4. So what is the ratio they given? 3:4. That is we can write it as 3 by 4. So take the ratio of these two. That is 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Then by cross multiplication 5x plus 4 into 4 and here 7x plus 4 into 3. Now 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. 4 5s are 20x, 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Again bring all the constants one side and the variables one side. Here is constant is 16 minus 12. Here 21x minus 20. So 16 minus 12 is 4. 21 minus 20 is x. Now Harry's age is equal to 5x they given. The value of x is equal to 4. So 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20 years. That is Harry's age. Next Harry's age is 7x. That is 7 into 4 is 28 years. Next seventh problem. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator. There is a fraction. It has numerator and denominator. What they given? The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So numerator, we don't know the numerator. So suppose it has x. So numerator is equal to x. Given denominator is greater than numerator by 8. Therefore denominator is equal to x plus 8. Now the fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. What is the numerator? We suppose it as x. So x by x plus 8. Next what they given? Numerator increased by 17. So I have to increase it by 17. So x plus 17 by x plus 8. Next denominator decreased by 1. Decrease means minus. So x plus 17 by x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to x plus 17 by x plus 7. How it come? X plus 17 as it is. X plus 8 means 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Why have done this? They given the numerator increased by 17. This is our fraction. Numerator increased by 17 means we have to add plus 17. This denominator decreased by 1, that means minus 1. To this we are subtracting minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So what is the obtained one now? X plus 17 by x plus 7. But by problem the obtained number is 3 by 2. To them what the number gave? What the number they given? 3 by 2. So what we obtained? This one. So these two should be equal. Now x plus 17 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Again by cross multiplication x plus 17, these two. We have to multiply this x plus 17 with 2 and x plus 7 with 3. Now 2 into x plus 7 is equal to 3 into x plus 3. 2 into x, 2x, 2 7s are 14 is equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 7s are 21. Now bring all the constants one side and variables on the other side. So constant term 34 and bringing this constant term here, that is minus 21 is equal to 3x minus this 2x. So 34 minus 34 minus 21 is 13 and 3x minus 2x is 1x, that is nothing but our x. So x is equal to 13. What is the value of x? That is the numerator. So numerator x is equal to 13. What is the denominator? X plus 8. So 13 plus 8 is 21. Therefore, the required fraction is equal to x by x plus 8. That is 13 by 21 is our solution.